students, welcome to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School. Students, as you know, we have started lesson number 11 algebra, and we also studied about the different branches of mathematics wherein we study different concepts. Like in the branch of arithmetic we study about numbers, in geometry we study about shapes, and in this lesson, in this chapter, that is algebra, we are going to study about the letters, that is alphabets. So, for making the formulas, for finding the perimeter of rectangle, area of rectangle, and many more formulas, we use the alphabets. So, this is the branch of mathematics where we use the letters for studying about the shapes and numbers in more detail. We have also seen that the different patterns and its rules, for, how we can create by seeing the way, like we have seen in the exercise 11.1 that if we have to prepare the alphabet V by using the matchsticks, for one alphabet we require 2 matchsticks. So, for 2 alphabets means 2 V's, then we require 4 matchsticks. So, in this way we can find the rule, that is 2n, for finding more number or making more number of alphabets. Afterwards, we have also seen about the different properties of some algebra concepts. Now, so in today's class we are going to revise the properties, and then we are going to see exercise 11.3. So, let us see. So, you know students, we have studied different properties in whole numbers. So, same type of properties we have here to learn more in detail. So, let us just have a quick review over it. Yeah. We have seen about rules of arithmetic, that is commutativity of addition of 2 numbers. So, 4 plus 3 or 3 plus 4 can be added in any order, and this property when we are using 2 variables, it comes true for it, that is a plus b is equal to b plus a. Then commutativity for multiplication, we can say that a into b is equal to b into a, because 4 into 3 is also 12 and 3 into 4 is also 12. When a and b are the variables given, when we interchanges we get the same answer. Then we have seen the distributivity of numbers, where a into b plus c is equal to a into b plus b a into c. So, a, b, c are 3 variables here, b plus c is given in the bracket, and a is multiplied by the variable b first, and then a is multiplied by the variable c. This comes under the distributivity of numbers. By using this property, we have solved few examples from exercise 11.2. Now, let us move towards next concept, expression with variables. Recall that in arithmetic we have come across expressions like 2 into 10 plus 3, 3 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 4, etc. Yes, we have came across this type of expressions in arithmetic. Okay. So, these expressions are formed from numbers like 2, 3, 4, 10, 100 and so on. As many as numbers can be used or for forming an expression. To form expressions, we use all 4 number operation of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. For example, to form 2 into 10 plus 3, what we require here? First 2 is multiplied by 10, where the operation like multiplication is used, and this 2 into 10 then added to 3, Examples of some other arithmetic expressions are 3 plus 4 into 5, minus 3 into 40 plus 5, 8 minus 7 into 2, 14 minus 5 minus 2, 6 into 2 minus 5, 5 into 7 minus 3 into 4, 7 plus 8 into 2, 5 into 7 minus 3 into 4 minus 7. So, these are some expressions formed where we have used different types of operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication. Okay. Expressions can be formed from variables. This type of expressions where we have used the numbers, these are the expressions we use the number, this comes under arithmetic. So, these are called as arithmetic expressions because we are using the numbers here. But the same type of numbers can be formed from variables also. Means what will be the variables? A, B, C, P, Q, yeah, this type of variables. From these variables also we can form this type of expressions. So, let us see how. In fact, we already have seen expression with variables. Yes, we have seen the variables in exercise 11.1 where we need to catch the pattern and see that 2n, 5m, how many matchsticks are required for preparing 2 V's, 3 V's. In the same way we have seen. So, there we have used the variables and that becomes a expression or a rule. In the same way 5m, x plus 10, x minus 3 etc. are also the expressions. These expressions with variables are obtained by operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division on variables. So, how do we perform the different types of operation for numbers? That means in arithmetic we can perform the operations for variables also. For example, the expression 2n is formed by multiplying a variable n by 2. So, how do we get this expression 2n? We got this expression by multiplying the variable n. What is the variable here? N, which is the unknown value which can be changed. So, n is variable which is multiplied by 2. The expression x plus 10 is formed by adding 10 to the variable x and so on. So, we need to find the expression x plus 10. So, what we have done here, the variable x, 10 is added to the variable x. So, we got the expression x plus 10. We know that variables can take different values. They have no fixed value, but they are numbers. That is why, as in the case of numbers, operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division can be done on them. One important point must be noted regarding the expressions containing variables. A number expression like 4 into 3 plus 5 can be immediately evaluated as 4 into 3 plus 5 is equal to 12 plus 5 is equal to 17. That 4 3s are 12 and 12 plus 5 is 17. So, where we have the arithmetic expressions, we already have the numbers and we can solve it immediately, means it can be evaluated immediately. But an expression like 4x plus 5 which contain the variable x. So, we have the variable x which is the unknown. So, can we evaluate it quickly or immediately? No. So, as the value of the variable x is unknown, we cannot evaluate it. Only if x is given some value, an expression like 4x plus 5 can be evaluated. Okay? 4x plus 5 can be evaluated like if x has given some value where x is equal to 3. So, 4 into 3 plus 5, so 4 3s are 12 plus 5 is equal to 17. So, it means we have the expression which contains the variables. If the variable has some value, then that expression can be solved. Next, expression how they are formed. Y plus 5. So, already the expression is given here. We need to write it how it has been done or how it is formed, the expression. So, we can write 5 added to y, then t minus 7. So, 7 subtracted from t, right, 10a. So, a multiplied by 10, right, then x by 3, x divided by 3, yeah, then minus 5q. So, q multiplied by minus 5, next 3x plus 2. So, see students, we have here little different kind. So, 3x plus 2. So, what we do here, first x is multiplied by 3, then 2 is added to the product. It means we need to find 3x and then the product is, to that product we add 2. Okay. So, the equation how it is formed, first x is multiplied by 3, then 2 is added to the product. Next example, 2y minus 5. First y multiplied by 2 and then 5 subtracted from the product. First y is multiplied by 2 and then 5 subtracted from the product. Okay. So, write 10 such other simple expression and tell how they have been formed. We should also be able to write an expression through given instructions and about how to form it. Look at the following example. Now, students, what we have done here, the expressions were already given and we have find a sentence how it has been formed. Now, in this other example where we have the sentences and we need to find the expression from the given sentence. So, let us see, can we do that? 12 subtracted from z. So, z minus 12. 25 added to r plus 25. P multiplied by 16, 16p. Y divided by 8, y by 8. M multiplied by minus 9, so minus 9m. Y multiplied by 10 and then 7 added to the product. So, 10y plus 7, 10y plus 7. So, 10 is multiplied by y first and then 7 is added to the product, 10y plus 7. N multiplied by 2 and 1 subtracted from the product. So, n is multiplied by 2, it means 2n and then 1 is subtracted from the product, minus 1. So, the expression becomes 2n minus 1. Sarita and Amina decide to play a game of expressions. They take the variable x and the number 3 and see how many expressions they can make. The condition is that they should use not more than 1 out of 4 number operations and every expression must have x in it. Can you help them? Sarita thinks of x plus 3. Amina comes up with x minus 3. Okay. So, Sarita and Amina decide to play a game of expressions. They take the variable x and the number 3. So, how many different expressions can be made? Many different expressions can be made. For example, we have seen here x plus 3, x minus 3, 3x. In this way we can prepare the expressions. Next, she suggests 3x, means 3 multiplied by x. Sarita then immediately makes x by 3, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Are these the only 4 expressions that they can get under the condition? Next, they try the combination of y, 3 and 5. So, by using the 4 operations and the variable x and the number 3, can they prepare only the 4 operations they have told, or many can be done? Okay, only 4. So, let us see. So, we have taken here, next they have tried the combination of y, 3 and 5. The condition is that they should use not more than 1 operation of addition, subtraction and 1 operation of multiplication or division. Every expression must have y in it. Check if their answer are right. See, let us see here. So, y plus 5, y plus 3, y minus 5, y minus 3. Okay. 3y, 5y, y minus y by 3, y by 5, 3y plus 5, 3y minus 5, 5y plus 3, 5y minus 3. Okay. So, these are the different expressions they have formed by using y, 3 and 5, where the conditions were that y the expression must have y in it, and so by using 4 different operations they have prepared this many expressions. Okay. Now let us see exercise 11.3 examples. See, make up as many expressions with numbers as you can from 3 numbers 5, 7 and 8. Every number should be used not more than once. Okay. So, we have the 3 numbers 5, 7 and 8. Every number should be used once, and we can perform the operations like addition, subtraction and multiplication. So, see, we have the 3 numbers 8 plus 5 plus 7, 5 plus 8 minus 7, 8 plus 5 into 7, 7 minus 8 minus 5, 7 into 8 plus 5, 5 into 8 plus 7, 8 into 5 plus 7, 7 plus 8 minus 5, 5 into 7 minus 8 and 7 plus 8 into 5. So, these are different expressions where we have used the operations addition, subtraction and multiplication, and the given numbers were 5, 7 and 8. Which out of the following expressions with numbers only? Okay. Now, we have to, few expressions are given, now we have to find the expression which have only the numbers. So, we can see y plus 3 variable is there. So, 7 into 20 minus 8z, again the variable is there. 5, 21 minus 7 plus 7 into 2. So, C is the expression where we have only the number. D is the expression where we have only the number. 3x, it means we have x variable. 5 minus 5n, again n is a variable. 7 into 20 minus 5 into 10 minus 45 plus p. So, p we have the variable. So, out of A to G expressions given, we have the C and D are the expressions with numbers only. Okay. Next example, identify the operations addition, subtraction, multiplication and division in forming the following expressions and tell how the expressions have been formed. Okay. So, z plus 1, we need to tell which is the operation used here and how the expressions are formed. So, let us see z plus 1, the operation used is plus. So, it is addition. Formation of expression. So, z is increased by 1, or we can write it as 1 is added to z, 1 is added to z. Then z minus 1, we have the subtraction, we can write 1 is subtracted from z, 1 is subtracted from z. Next, y plus 17, again we have the operation addition. So, 17 is added to y. Okay. So, again y minus 17, we have subtraction. So, 17 is subtracted from y, y minus 17. Then 17y, here we have multiplication. So, y is multiplied by 17. Then division, y is divided by 17. Then again 5z, we have multiplication, z is multiplied by 5. Then we have 2y plus 17. So, we can first do this 2y, it has multiplication and then it has addition. So, multiplication and additions are the operations. So, y is multiplied by 2 and then 17 is added. Next example, 2y minus 17. 2y, we have the multiplication and then subtraction. So, y is multiplied by 2 and then 17 is subtracted from the product. This way we can do. Minus 7 minus 3, minus 7m minus 3. So, minus 7m, it means multiplication and then we have the subtraction. So, m is multiplied by minus 7 and then to the product minus 3 is subtracted from the product. Okay. Now next question, give expressions for the following. Now few expressions are given, we need to write the expression. Okay. The first question is 7 added to p. So p plus 7. Next is 7 subtracted from p. It means p minus 7. Then we have p multiplied by 7. It means 7p. Then p divided by 7. So p by 7. Next, 7 subtracted from minus m. So minus m minus 7 minus p multiplied by 5 minus 5p. Then minus p divided by 5. So minus p by 5 and p multiplied by minus 5, that is 5 by minus 5p. Okay. Next, give expressions in the following cases. 11 added to 2m. So 2m plus 11. 11 subtracted from 2m. So 2m minus 11. 5 times y to which 3 is added. So 5y plus 3. 5 times y from which 3 is subtracted. It means 5y minus 3. Then y is multiplied by minus 8. It means minus 8y. Y is multiplied by minus 8 and then 5 is added to the result. So minus 8y plus 5. Minus 8y plus 5. Students, it is very easy. When the following sentences are given, we need to find the expression. We need to see thoroughly the sentence. So first it is multiplication, so minus 8y and then what is added? 5 is added to it. So the expression becomes minus 8y plus 5. Y is multiplied by 5 and then result is subtracted from 60. So y is multiplied by 5, it means 5y minus 16. Then y is multiplied by minus 5 and the result is added to 16. It means minus 5y plus 16. So these were few examples. Next question, question 6a. Form expression using t and 4. Use not more than one number operation. Every expression must have t in it. Okay, let us see for question A first. T plus 4, we have used plus addition, then t minus 4 subtraction, 4 into t, 4t multiplication, t4 again multiplication, 4 plus t, then 4 plus. Okay, so these are the few expressions. Next, form expression using y, 2 and 7. Every expression must have y in it. Use only two number operations. So 2y plus 7, 7y minus 2, 7 minus 2y, 7y plus 2 and 7y2, 2y by 7 and y7 plus 2 and y by 2 minus 7. These are few possible expression. There can be more than this or less than this also. Next, so we have completed exercise 11.3. See here, using expressions practically. We have already come across practical situations in which expressions are useful. Let us remember some of them. Situations described in ordinary language. So, and the variable used and the statement using the expressions. So, Sarita has 10 more marbles than Amina. So, let see, Sarita has 10 more marbles than Amina. So, we do not know how many marbles does Amina have. So, let the Amina has x marbles. Amina has x marbles and the statement will be x plus 10. X plus 10. Balu is 3 years younger than Raju. So, we do not know the Raju's age, but we know Balu is 3 years younger than Raju. So, Raju's age be x years and so as Balu is younger, So x minus 3 will be the age of Bhalu. So how to find this? When we will get the value of variable, we can easily find the marbles or years. Okay. Let us see one more example. Bikash is twice as old as Raju. Means Bikash is twice as old as Raju, means the age of Bikash is 2 times that of Raju. So Raju's age we do not know, so we will keep it as x, and then Bikash age becomes 2 into x, that is 2x years. Next, Raju's father age is 2 years more than 3 times Raju's age. So Raju's father's age is 2 years more than 3 times of Raju's age. Okay. So Raju's age 3 times. So we do not know Raju's age. So we will put it as x. So 3 times Raju's age means 3x. 3x. And who is 2 years more than 3 times Raju's age? Raju's father. So 3x plus 2 years. When we put the variable x, we will get the Raju's father's age. Okay. Next, situation described in ordinary language. So let us see few more examples. How old will Susan be 5 years from now? Okay. How old Susan? Susan from today after 5 years, what will be his age? So we do not know Susan's present age. So let y be Susan's present age. So from now after 5 years, so present is 5 and after 5 years means plus 5. So y plus 5, y plus 5. So here we do not know the present age, so we have taken the variable y, and to find the answer we use the expression y plus 5. When we get the value of y, we can find the present age after 5 years. How old was Susan's age 4 years ago? Okay. Now here it is asked 4 years ago what was his age. So present age is y. 4 years ago means y minus 4. Next, price of wheat per kg is rupees 5, less than price of rice per kg. Okay. Price of wheat is rupees 5. Price of wheat is rupees 5, but less than the price of rice, less than the price of rice. So do you know the price of rice? No. So let us take the price of rice as P per kg. So expression becomes P minus 5, that is P is the price of the rice per kg, and the price of wheat is rupees 5 less than the price of rice. So P minus 5 is the expression. So these are few situations where the situations are given and we need to use the variable and find out the expressions. Using expressions practically, it means the situations are given and finding the expressions there itself by using the different variables. Let us see 2 more examples. Price of oil per liter is 5 times the price of rice per kg. Okay. Now see, what is the price of oil per liter? It is 5 times more than that of rice. So what is the price of rice? We do not know. So we have taken the variable P. So price of oil is 5 times more. It means 5P, 5 into P is the price of oil. Next example, the speed of a bus is 10 km per hour more than the speed of truck going on the same road. Let the speed of a bus is 10 km per hour, more than the speed of a truck. Do we know the speed of a truck? No. So let us take it as y km per hour. And what is the speed of bus? It is more 10 kilometers than truck. So speed of the truck plus 10, it means y plus 10 km per hour. So these were few situations where the sentences were given and we need to use the variable to find the expression. So we are going to solve more such type of, see more situations and find the practical solution for it in the next exercise. Thank you students.